Welcome to Bennamann, a small, highly innovative Cornish company working with a major global partner, CNH Industrial, to deliver a local clean energy revolution that will reduce greenhouse gas emissions, help to rapidly mitigate climate change, and tackle a whole raft of sustainability issues along the way. In this video, we will explain the importance of tackling fugitive methane emissions from livestock manure slurry and show how the company's award-winning technology is converting farmyard waste into high-value energy products that can reduce the cost of farming and deliver additional profitable income to farm businesses worldwide. Methane is very damaging as a greenhouse gas and contributes significantly to climate change. In fact, it is far more damaging than carbon dioxide, having over 80 times the impact in the first 20 years of its lifetime in the atmosphere. Bennamann's co-founder, chairman and chief technology officer, Dr. Chris Mann, explains.
So this is what it's all about. Is these, the cow slurry from this herd at Shenandoah Farm produce a lot of methane. Unlike open lagoons, where that methane is emitted to the atmosphere, our system is able to capture the methane. By converting it into vehicle fuel, we can solve a really big issue. Methane is 86 times more powerful than CO2. So because it's got such a short lifetime compared to CO2, by capturing it and using it as a replacement for fuels, we can slow the onset of climate change.
So, let's have a look at the Bennamann cycle that our technology and processes unlock. Grass grows taking in nutrients from the soil and CO2 from the atmosphere. Cows eat grass and other feed, process it in their stomachs, and excrete it while occupying the farm's cowshed. The manure is swept into a slurry pit, also called a lagoon, and decomposes, emitting methane and other greenhouse gases, which traditionally escape into the atmosphere from open surface lagoons as fugitive emissions and contribute significantly to changing the climate. Bennamann captures and stores these fugitive emissions on the farm by enclosing the lagoon with our proprietary cover technology, which is scalable to different sized herds. Unwanted pollutants are filtered out of the captured biogas using an on-site plant room. And a mobile processing unit upgrades the remaining gas into compressed fugitive methane, CFM, or liquid fugitive methane, LFM. Chris explains.
So one of the pieces of equipment that makes all of this possible is what we call the biocycle plant. It's a mobile platform, so it goes from farm to farm. What you'll see in the lagoon is about a week or so's worth of biogas that's been filtered and dried, which is part of the process. And this piece of kit, Biocycle, does the rest. So we get the clean, dry biogas, comes in through the leads on the left, it gets compressed and dried. It then gets separated and filtered further to the methane and CO2. And then finally it's compressed to 250 bar using the compressor behind me.
The resulting high-value renewable energy product is stored locally and distributed locally by Bennamann to customers who use it instead of polluting fossil-based energy for fueling trucks, lorries and tractors, such as our partner New Holland's methane-powered tractor, as well as to provide heating for space, water and on-farm processes, and even for generating power to charge their electric vehicles. Completely burning fugitive methane in an engine prevents it going into the atmosphere, and the CO2 that is released in the exhaust is the same amount that the grass absorbed in the first place, completing the circular cycle and making it carbon neutral. The material left behind in the lagoon, known as a digestate, is further processed to create a conditioner that improves soil biology, reducing the need for artificial fertilizer use on the farm, and creating more environmental and ecological circularity, establishing a sustainable, circular economy-based agricultural model for livestock farming. A truly groundbreaking approach, helping to create energy-independent farms and more profitable farm businesses, while simultaneously making humans more sustainable on the planet, leaving a cleaner, healthier environment for future generations. For more information about Bennamann, visit our website, bennamann.com, or email us at inquiries@bennamann.com.